Alright, just a short video to talk to you about this MIELE Cat and Dog TT5000 2200 watt vacuum cleaner. So it comes in full working order. I have cleaned it. It still has dust in tight places. Does have light used scratch marks. It comes with two tools, hand tools there, the hose, handle, telescopic wand and an AirTech MIELE head. Take this off one-handed. New filter, new bag and another new filter. So it does have dust in tight places. I'll just show it working. Have I plugged it in? I haven't plugged it in. I'm not exactly Steven Spielberg, am I? Anyway, so it's in good full working order, dust in tight places, light use marks all over. It's model S5261. I don't know if you can see it there. Any questions at all, please just ask. I do have other MIELE vacuum cleaners listed. Please take a look. Thank you.